Hi guys, welcome back. So excited to start playing with the July 2022 Flavors of the Month kits from the Scrap Room. So this one I'm going to do for the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, which is one of my favorite challenges that I play with. I think every month I play with it. Let me show it to you. Come on, little challenge. There we go. So basically, these sizes right here, you need to cut up papers from your kit into these sizes and make it work. So I've got an 11 by 8, an 11 by 1, a 10 by 5, a 9 by 1, a 1 by 1.5, and a 1 by 2. So lots of cuts. Now the slightly tricky thing about the lots of cuts thing is that I really want to use this piece right here as my background. I think it's a clever piece of paper. I like that it already is bordered, so it's kind of like it's already matted. But the deal is, Doodlebug papers, I love Doodlebug papers. I like the brightness, I like the happiness, I like the motifs, I like the whole thing. I think they are just a riot. So where I was going with that is the other sides are so cute too. But alas, I have one of each. So, not one of each. I have one of Doodlebug My Happy Place is called Garden Party. And I had a complete unboxing on the first with all of these goodies. This is Enjoy the Ride. This one, which is amazing, it's called Garden Girl. Cute little florals. So I've got really great papers. I also have 2 pieces of white textured cardstock. I've got all of these great die cuts. Let me see the way there is a variety of ephemera from Chit Chat, bits and pieces, and the odds and ends packages. And then the dealio, these are not the correct little puffy hearts that go with this. They weren't ready for the DT yet. So the long and short of it is, you're either going to get puppy hearts or enamel hearts in your kits. They're going to be fab. Okay, so with all of these goodies, these are the photos that I have. This is myself and my oldest daughter, and this was on our birthday in May of this year. And we happen to share the same birthday. I think we're 14 minutes apart on the whole like 2-something a.m. that we were both born. So very close in birth date, but 28 years apart. Way too much information. Nobody cares. Okay, I need to mat these on some white cardstock. I know that. Great. I've got all of these great little die cut pieces. I've got the word together. I have this house, all that kind of thing. And then I have this piece that I received that said, Life Happens, Coffee Helps. And that's why I went ahead and picked this day, because we got our free Starbucks birthday coffees that day. So, you got to document the free thing. I love the free thing. Okay. So I know that this is my background. I need to spend a minute staring at these 2 pieces to see how I can make all of the other cuts. And when I have to, I'll just bring in some more of my white cardstock. Not an issue. So let me back this. Let me make all my cuts, and then I'm going to move it around, see what vibe I'm feeling, and I'll be right back. So I wanted to pop on really quickly and show you my cuts. So this one right here is my 11 by 8. So my favorite piece of paper, I want to be the biggest, right? Then my 10 by 5, this really great aqua, so usable, and it's slightly calming, not calm, but slightly calming. Then, let's see, I have an 11 by 1 with this really cute floral, a 9 by 1 with the bicycles, then a 1 by 1.5, and then a 1 by 2. Those are my pieces. I still have to mat this, but I thought I'd show you that little bit, and now I'm going to play with them. I might end up with a pretty central design, and that's going to be awesome. Give me a moment. All right, guys, I have all of these pieces stuck down, kind of a fun composition. Exact measurements go into the black square. Can you believe it? As well as this floral piece. So it kind of looks like on purpose. How great is that? So I have my 2 photos. Probably do a bit of a little wonky something. I want some of it to spill over here, so that's fun. Maybe kind of like that. I want that, I think, a little bit wonky because everything is so blocky. Now, I have my title. So it looks like I want to bring this up just a little bit. Not a big deal. I'm going to pop that up on just a little dimensional adhesive. Let's see. Life happens, coffee helps. I'd want that maybe there. We were right in front of our house. So maybe that cute little house right there. The oven does not work. Guys, happy birthday works so incredibly well. So I have to figure out, I want to do some little baby clusters where these bits are, I can move them down to. I have happy birthday. I'm going to move this to the side for a different layout. What else do we have? What else do we have? Ooh, I like this little cute yellow piece. So that looks kind of purposey up there. You know what? Maybe I'll move it to right here to break up a little bit of all of that blue. And I'm going to move this pink piece down because my title is kind of taking over a little bit. Okay, I like that. It's breaking up some of the blue for me. Good, good. Let's see. So I have a tag there. Might be kind of fun to have a tag up on this bluey piece too. And I'm going to go ahead and move that one up a little bit. So I can have that. Oh, and I grabbed some of my black and white twine from my stash to go with this because it goes great with this stuff. So I don't need the little water bottle for this one. I have a cute little green sock, which I don't need for this one. Let's see. Oh, I like the sun. I've got a little sunshine. That can go right there. That would be cute. Now what else? Now I have these houses. Guys, I have so many great pieces that I can play with. Ooh, that's cute. Having them go like this and this. Guys, there are so many great pieces in this. So I want this happy birthday because, you know, it's our birthday. Maybe this. Ugh, guys, I want to use it all. And okay, these are my people I'm not going to use because there's only us. A shovel I don't need. I'm thinking it'll be easier to get rid of things that I don't need. Love this little aloe. Use that on the next layout. Oh, and I did also go ahead. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I cut out all of these little floral bits from my leftovers from this piece right here. Okay, let me faff with this a little bit and I'll be right back. I'm starting to pop things on. I just had to sit back and think about it for a second because I do want to use everything. Now I have plenty of supplies with just the flavors of the month kit to go ahead and make another layout. So I calmed down everyone, regrouped, and we're moving on. Oh, I want to put that little cute bird right there. So this is where we're going with it. I do want to get that Life Happens Coffee Helps because, you know, that's the whole reason I chose these photos. Let's put that little birdie right there on the together. I think that's super cute. Okay. So then I'm thinking of tucking this not all the way under because I don't want the trap space, but beneath. Beneath is a word. Yes. All right, let's see what we have. Use my very old, very messy T-square ruler, but guys, seriously, it's my T-square ruler that works the best. I have clean new ones, but they don't grip the side the same way that this one does. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Why does that look so wonky? Oh, because it's wonky. All right, that would be a reason why. My eye was not happy with the vibe of it. Okay, there we go. Sweet. So I have that. I have my title. Now I have these cute little bits to do decorating with. So I have all of these cut out, all of these cute little florals, but like I said, I can go ahead and use them on the next layout because they'll be already in such a cute collection. Okay. And I have these pieces over here that are waiting for a different layout. Therefore, we can calm down. We can do this thing. And I'm going to remember get this black twine on. So it'll be in two places, bringing the black all the way down at a nice diagonal, which is my favorite design. Yes. All right. So all I have to do at this point is take a look-see at these extra little bits. And I'm going to just pop whatever up and fill in my clusters a little bit. And this little cutie will be done. And seriously, the Freaky Fast Friday formula is one of my favorite things to play along with because it tells you what to do, and then you just start popping them on, and it always works out. Like, how awesome is that? That something can, oh, that needs to go out by the sun. That something will always just come together. I think it's a very sweet, kind of cool thing. Okay, so before I forget, let's see. I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, the blog, the Facebook group. And the Facebook group, guys, it's really fun because we get to see what everybody else is doing with the same products. And to me, that is right. And I also always like to snoop and see what parts of these packages that other people got. I think that is a riot. I know. We all have a thing. That's clearly one of my things. All right, so I have the little cloud bits, and I went ahead and I made sure to put it right at the base of this piece so it didn't have this little awkward space. So I think that came together nicely. Okay, now I love this little piece. It's a little tiny envelope and it says hello on it. So for no good reason other than the fact that it is so stinking cute, I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And I had a couple Frankenstein pieces of some adhesive, dimensional adhesive over here. So I think maybe by the little house because it's an envelope. That's cute. Okay. I'm going to put the twine on. I'm going to put a couple more of these little heart pieces on, and I will show you my finished layout in just a second. All right, my friends, this is my finished layout. So the only thing I added from my stash was this bit of black and white twine on two different places, but I stacked up some of those little fussy cut flowers that I had. I have some here. I have some here. It plays off of clearly this strip right here perfectly. So I think it's fun and it's bright and it's all of the goodness that comes from playing with Doodlebug. And I have so many goodies left for my next layout. So I'm kind of excited about it. I want to keep playing with this collection. Okay, links down below for all of the ScrapRoom goodies and still shots in just a moment, friends. I will be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.